place. Get in the rocket and blast through space. Conceal your spaceship.
8 for 20 sounds perfect.
2,
More now.
3. What is this?
It has a 2.
Awesome. Let's get one more now.
School of Spin-Jitsu. My name is Master Sammy, and this is Master Lloyd. We are looking for the next generation of Spin-Jitsu masters. Now, who here would like to become a master? Stand on your feet, arms up, and jump down and ground. Excellent form. I'm impressed. Right.
Let's go.
Your head, shoulders, knees, and toes in the boat at all times. Now, if you guys can hear me, can you put your hands up in the air? And wave them around like you just don't care.
Okay, pull your ducks out.
2,
8 for 20 sounds perfect.
2,
More now.
3. What is this?
It has a 2.
Awesome. Let's get one more now. All right. Thank you so much.
Chameleons.
All right, which color do we have?
Winner! It's a chameleon. It's a green chameleon.
Do you want to go on skipper school?
We don't want the crocodile getting you.
Do I pretend I cry? Right, 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 left, left, left.
Want to go on the adventure club?
I'm coming.
Okay, this is it. I'm pulling your arm.
Riders, once your lap bars are released, please watch your step as you exit to the right.
Gabe, what'd you think of that one?
I think I give it a 7 out of 10.
Alright, Benny, it's time to teach everybody. Oh no, looks like Benny shut off the engine power. Here we go. Get in the rocket and fly through space. Then steer your spaceship all over the place. Get in the rocket and soar through space. Then steer your spaceship all over the place. Get in the rocket and blast through space. Then steer your spaceship all over.
Beating up, Mom! Yes, yes!
Gabriel.
Gabriel?
Yeah.